TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another daily work from home job lead. I know non-phone data entry work is the most popular, and today we have Sensor Tower. Now, they are a company that deals in artificial intelligence, and they have an opening for a data entry clerk. But real quickly, before we get into today's job lead, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So to make sure that you never miss another job lead, please subscribe and have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post a video. But with that being said, Sensor Tower is hiring a data entry clerk. This is for the United States only. This is fully 100% work from home remote, and this position is part-time. They are looking for someone who can be responsible for categorizing data and have a deadline for completion. You'll be required to pay close attention to detail and be able to use language translation tools to identify non-English advertisements. So what you'll be doing is you'll use custom tools to identify the advertiser funding specific social media accounts. You'll identify the exact product being marketed in online display and video advertisements. You'll write logic statements to search for and classify creatives, and you'll suggest any improvements for their data quality. So they are really looking for someone who has an understanding of search logic and search operators, someone who has great research skills and puts an emphasis on accuracy, someone who can verify account ownership across multiple resources and then enter your findings. And they also want someone who is self-motivated to complete assignments on your own and within the established guidelines you are given. Now, while they do not give the exact pay for this job, you will have to discuss that during the time of interview. They do offer quite a few benefits. One of them is a monthly internet stipend, so they pay your internet service every month, and they will also give you a one-time $500 home office stipend, so you can buy any supplies you need to get to work. Now, I'm going to leave their GlassDoor page linked down below also with the job posting. They do have quite a few reviews on their GlassDoor page from previous and current employees, and they have a 4.4 out of 5-star rating, so this looks like a great place to work. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.